Okay guys, the morning after. Gonna show y'all something. Lola got hit last night. Never all good. All that was off. Now I gotta get this piece. For Lola. So this is the sensor. It's not touch. Will mess up the whole friggin' rim. Feels like a really pretty close counter. I think he hit this part. The mirror's folded. And this whole thing was off. I click it back on. But see, really got damage bad. It's not just black. This whole part is chipped out. I'm getting a 22, so I'm just worried about this piece. Get this piece and probably just replace it. Don't look much. Car's not hit. Just replace that little black piece. Luckily, could have been worse. Luckily for me, I actually caught it on tape. Because, you know, I got my black view. So I'm going to take that out and go look at the footage, see what we have. I'm not going to drive Lola like this. I don't feel like driving her. See, the rim got hit. But I'm going to definitely drive my son car. That's my son car. I'm going to drive his car, Tesla now. See what they have to see, how much this piece costs. I'm going to buy it and fix it myself. Because if you look, it's just this piece. The sensor ain't get touched at all, thank God. Sensor right here, it didn't get touched. So look like this piece right here, all the way over. Yeah. So clips and so on. So yeah, I'm gonna leave Lola here, go on my son car now, and go to Tesla. I don't think I wanna drive.
Is there any other damage?
The cover came off, but I put it back on. I snap it back on.
Bring it in if you want to bring it in.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring it in.
Can you bring it in at like 2?
Today?
Yeah.
Alright, that's fine. Alright, so my
my
wonderful advisor advised me not to fix it myself, bring it in because the wheel was hit. So you wanna have to bring it in. No, a video.
No video.
So I'm gonna have to bring it in. That's my favorite advisor. So she already know I need to get it. Bring the car in. Hopefully nothing wrong. Even though, you know, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock.
This way their bellies will be full. They won't be cranky.
And I can wait because they're checking it, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so I'll be back at 2.
I'll see you at 2.
She's gonna see me at 2. So you hear it. Okay, I'm about to switch park. Since I gotta carry Lola in to get fixed, I like doing this feature. You hold it down for 5 seconds, and then you hit the back. Come back, there's a hydrant. See that? Yeah, hydrant right there. So I'm gonna let Lola back up by the hydrant and park my son car over here. Go up, Lola, go back, go back, go back. Lola. Then I'll just park my car, my son car in their spot. I like using that feature. Okay, pulling back up with Lola. About to get Lola fixed. The X again, the red. Favorite advisor. Keys up in here. Oh, put that in park. Grab my little belongings. See all the Teslas, the nice little Teslas. And yeah, let's see what it has to say. Rims damage, of course. You can see that clearly. All of the Teslas, not much in here getting fixed. But should be fixed soon. Soon.
Meanwhile,
Always a white X. Every showroom. Always a white X. Never really see any other color X in showroom with white seat. That's what got me the first time when I saw my Model X. I was like, "Ooh, white seat." The roof. This is what sold me. The roof and the screen, of course. 6 seats from us. Then they got the S. S is nice. I'm always a cheap person, so I can see I had the Range Rover, so that's why I went to get the X. If I was a car person, I might not get the car. Okay, we got the Model 3. Everybody getting. Now they got the 35. I wonder how that's going to work with the 35. No power steering wheel, no power seat, just map and navigation. And there you have it. The S, the X, and the 3. And the 3, the basic one, don't have no fog lights, so your bumper won't be clear. It'll be straight across, so that way, one way you could probably test that. It don't have, you know, that's just gonna be the basic one. You're not gonna see the fog lights. That's a plus. The tinted sunroof. So I wonder if it's not gonna have a glass roof, or if it's gonna be like a top, hard top. That's the next thing. I don't think you get that in the standard one also. And then also, if it don't come with the autopilot and stuff, I wonder if it don't have the cameras. Because it's not going to have the autopilot. You can't add autopilot and stuff, I believe. I want to believe. I want to say, I'm not too sure. With the basic 35,000 Model 3. So which means it might not have no cameras on either side. And it's most likely they must put in a backup camera at least when you back it up. It's a backup camera. Boom, right there. Backup camera. But this P100 do look real nice. The red calipers and so on. I'm getting the 22s from the referral. I want to say thanks again. I ain't got much, but mine's gonna be chrome. Everybody got the black, so I decided to go with the chrome. I like how that look, but in chrome. The white again. So beautiful. I'm really kind of upset I didn't do the white seats. You know, I'm cheap, so I just try to get the cheapest way I can. So I end up just getting the cloth seat, and no regret, because I still pay a lot of money for the 6 seat. You know, the 6 seats, let alone $6 grand. I might as well do the 3 extra grand and get the custom seat. I'm upset I didn't do that, but oh well. But yep, I'm gonna stay here in the showroom until they call me and let me know my car fixed. Get this part fixed, you know.
2 hours later.
So there go my Lola. She's all done, they say. Woo! Look at that. No damage. Got me back a new one. Now I feel good. She's dirty, but yeah, I know she's dirty. We'll take her for the car wash soon. Thank you. go through insurance. Everything was all good. She gave me bad news and good news. Bad news was the car ready to go. Good news was just the fender guard that had to fix, which was this. But we all set. Lola's ready to go. More Teslas. There she go. My favorite.
Just have to plug your rear view camera back in.
That's fine.
You're
All right.
set. Any
Thank you
problems,
so
give
much.
me a call. You're welcome. Say hi to your wife for me.
Will do. All right.
All right.
Y'all ladies have a good day. That's my advisor. She's real nice. Off the road. Yeah. Lola is all set. I'm ready to go. Plug back in my dash cam. Okay, they don't really allow that, but yep. Well, guys, there you have it. Lola's back in one piece, looking all clean. No. She's not looking clean, actually. I'm brought to the car wash for the first time, so I have to get her clean. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm getting Lola all clean now. Usually I don't bring her to the car wash. It's the first time. Usually I hand wash her because the paint swivelly thing in the car wash, they always scratch up your paint and leave circle in your paint and so on. But I got a little wrap with that protected film, so yeah, I could bring her to the car wash then. It's the first time. And besides that, it's cold in New York. I ain't trying to go out there and wash no car in the cold. So yeah, I got that wrap, so this is the first time in the car wash. On the other half, everything came up to only $67. Yup, 67. The motor was like 40 something or $38, something like that. And then they charged me the rest for the installation, which I didn't mind. They had to check to make sure nothing was wrong with the suspension, like my advisor was telling me, because the wheel was hit. So that's the only thing that is messed up on the car right now is the rim. The mirror cover had came off, but luckily for me, the clips didn't broke or anything, so I just snapped that back on. But the rim got messed up real bad. I'm not going to get the rim fixed because, I want to say thank you again to people who use my referral code. That helped me get the 22-inch wheel that I'm supposed to collect. Once Tesla receive it, they're going to call me, email me, whatever, and let me know to come pick it up. So I want to say thanks again for people watching and using my referral. That was a shocking. Thank you. But the referral program is back. So if you're looking to buy a new one or someone is trying to buy an S, a Model 3, a Model X, or a Model Y, they can use a referral. This will give you 1,000 miles of free supercharge. Now, if that is, that will also qualify me to get a Model Y though. So, but you can still feel free to use it or give it to someone that that's looking to buy a new Tesla. Okay, I really appreciate it. But like I said, Lola is done. She fixed. Can I clean up now? I think one of the reasons why I did not get the license plate because my front windshield on my car is tinted. So I think that's one of the reasons why I didn't get the license plate after the guy, swipe the car. Thank God he didn't swipe like the door, the fender in and stuff like that. Then I would have definitely had to go through insurance. But the Blackview did their job. I got the alert when the accident happened. It recorded the scene and everything, so it worked. Just besides me parking in the dark area and having my windshield tinted, I think I would have get the license plate, but it wasn't too much to go in because, like I said, the part's only $67, so I'm grateful for that. Sorry for the late shakiness on the camera and stuff as well. I'm using my iPhone X. I'm cheap. Keep stressing that I'm cheap. I don't buy no expensive camera and all that to use, but this will do the trick for now because I'm just doing this for fun. I just like to show off, the experience of my car, of having this great machine. But besides that, thank y'all for watching. Hope you can like, share, and subscribe. Use the referral code if you are looking to buy one, or if you know someone trying to buy one. But that's it. I believe next week we'll make it a year I have the car, so I'm definitely going to make a video on the review. But besides that, like I said, man, thanks for watching and stay tuned. So until next time, guys, peace.